It's your girl Tara Deanna, and I'm back with another video. You guys, do you guys like pie? Because I love some sweet potato pie during the holiday season, Thanksgiving and Christmas. It really, like, I be like craving it more than anything during them times of the year. That nutmeg and cinnamon, oh my goodness, together it just does miracles. So you guys, for this video, as you guys can see, I'm making some sweet potato pie for the holidays. It's a recipe that I've been looking at. I've been looking at a bunch of different recipes from TikTok, and I'm kind of just like piecing stuff that I want to use. I think this might be my first time actually making a sweet potato pie. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on it, but yes, I was looking at a bunch of different little ingredients on TikTok. So I piece it together, because really I feel like all the ingredients are really the same, but some people add a little extra this, a little different this, ginger, a little whatever. Yo, in the comments, put down in the comments what type of pies do y'all like. Do y'all like apple pies, pumpkin pies, sweet potato pies? What kind of else pies there is? What key lime pie? Like, what is y'all favorite pie? I feel like my top 2 favorite pies is definitely going to be an apple pie and then a sweet potato pie. That's really the top 2 pies I will ever eat. Anything else, I mean, I'll try anything, but my top 2 pies will always be an apple pie and a sweet potato pie. I don't care. Do not argue me down in the comments about it. Sweet potato and apple pie, top tier, with vanilla ice cream for the apple pie.
You got a pillar?
Oh, they do salsa to it like that.
You got a pillar like that? That shit coming right off though. I do like a mango.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that shit hot.